All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Thursday adverb. So in particular, something specific. That pigeon in particular is tired and wet. That pigeon. Yes. Yes. Out of all the pigeons, that one is tired and wet. Yes. We know the answer in particular, how to find it. We have been there, in particular, that city. We've been to the country, and in particular, that city. Yeah. How cool is that? We went, oh, perfect. We went there, in particular, that city. How cool is that? I like this idea. In particular, the part where Yes. Did you do your part, your job? In particular, the part where you had to... Did you? Maybe? Yes? No? Maybe? Yeah. Without them, how can we go there? In particular, that part of the city. Yes. Without the tools, how can I get there? In particular, this part of the countryside. Yeah. Without the tools, how can I get there? In particular, that part of the countryside. Yeah, so in particular, when there's a load of things, loads of birds, animals, food, a lot of area, a lot of space, and one specific, something specific. I need more equipment. In particular, this, and that. Not all those are those, but this, or this. How cool is that? I need more books. In particular, books to learn Spanish. I need more books. In particular, books to learn Spanish. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use in particular in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy by searching for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.